Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Salesforce Territory Management for lead distribution. Complete guide step by step clearly. To download Salesforce Territory Management for lead distribution, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, navigate to the Setup section. In the Setup menu, type Territory Settings in the Quick Find box. Select Territory Settings from the search results. Ensure that territory management is enabled in your organization. If not, click on the Edit button to enable it. Click Save to apply the changes. Next, go back to the Setup menu and search for Territory Models. Select Territory Models from the search results. Click on the New button to create a new territory model. Enter a name and description for your new territory model. Decide whether to activate this model right away or keep it inactive for now. Click Save to create the model. Now, you'll want to define your territories. In the territory model you just created, click on Add Territories. Choose the appropriate criteria for your territories. These can be based on geographic location, industry, or other relevant factors. Once you have set your criteria, click Save to create the territories. Next, you'll need to assign users to your territories. Return to the territory model and click on Users. Select the relevant users from the list and click Next. Assign them to the appropriate territories and click Save. Now that your territories and users are set up, it's time to configure lead assignments. Return to the Setup menu and type Lead Assignment Rules in the Quick Find box. Select Lead Assignment Rules from the results. Click New to create a new lead assignment rule. Enter a name and description for your lead assignment rule. Set the rule to active and click Save. Next, define the specific lead assignment criteria in the rule. You can define criteria based on territory, user role, or other parameters. Once you've configured the criteria, click Save to finalize the rule. Now, return to your territory model and confirm that everything is configured correctly. It's essential to test the lead assignment by creating a sample lead. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.